Can you even see me, or is it just like a face, 2 hands, and a pair of legs? Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. Behind me is my 97 Powerstroke. We're gonna be buttoning this thing up. Snow is gone. I don't think they're gonna be putting any more salt down, and I wanna get this thing out on the road. Basically, I have the entire interior out of it, got a new rocker panel in. So in this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cleaning the rims. I just got new tires on it. The back side of the rims are disgusting. We're gonna degrease them, power wash them. I'm gonna put the interior back in. Probably not gonna film that because it's a really small area. You won't get a really good camera view. And the main thing we're gonna be doing is putting this thing up on the lift, power washing the entire underneath of it. So we're getting all the flaky stuff off. Then we're gonna throw a nice thick coat of undercoating on it. Show you what we're dealing with here. It's dirty. It's really, really dirty. Especially that one. So we're gonna use the power washer and some degreaser. All right, the wheels are clean, so now I need to put them back on the truck, only to move it over to the car lift and then take the wheels back off to spray underneath. So in a couple seconds, you're gonna see this truck and it's gonna have the interior done in it already. Everything's gonna be put in there. It's gonna be ready to rock and roll. The wheels are gonna be on it. It's gonna look slick, and we're gonna move it over to this bay so we can put it up on the lift, power wash underneath it, and then undercoat it. All right, well, we're back. I've got the entire interior back in it, minus a couple. I gotta go get some more screws for down here. And yes, it is a blue carpet.
Actually, R2 has been known to make mistakes.
Oops. It's filthy in there, but we got the tires on it, and it's ready to go. We're gonna see if it'll fire up, see if we can get it outside, because it's gonna smoke, guaranteed. Come on. father-in-law over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get the cap off and see if the two of us can do that. So I'll be back with you guys in a little bit when it's ready to rock and roll. So we took the truck out for a ride and it ran great. Now you can see I've got it on my lift here, so it's time to power wash underneath it. The truck doesn't look terrible underneath for having lived its life in New York. So let's give you a look, because we're gonna power wash it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna undercoat it. The skid plate for the tank, the front tank, doesn't look great, but as far as the body goes, the body's in really good condition. So I'm gonna break out the power washer, put on some raincoat or something, and we'll get to power washing. It's gonna be a wet, messy job, but somebody's gotta do it. Can you even see me, or is it just like a face, two hands, and a pair of legs? So the truck is all dry. You can see it's all rusty but trusty under here. I mean, for living its life in Western New York, it's really not all that bad. I have certainly seen worse. But before we undercoat it, you can tell I put a downpipe in this thing. It's right here, and I did a video on it. If you haven't seen the video, make sure you go check that thing out. But what I have is it just 90ing off the downpipe and coming out right there. It's very loud in the cab. So I actually just got this in. Diamond Eye, it's a dual exit exhaust for this truck. Not too bad. I'm getting a Marty's diesel e-fuel conversion for this truck. And I know I promised you guys that I'd be undercoating this truck in this video, but this video has been like 2 weeks in the making and I want to get it out to you. So the next video I'm going to do on this truck will be putting the Marty's e-fuel in. I ordered it Friday, today's Saturday, so should be here in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. We'll do a whole video on how to install the e-fuel in this truck. I don't think it's too hard, but we'll find out. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed. You don't want to miss out on the e-fuel conversion. If you have a 7.3, if you're thinking about getting a 7.3, I'm pretty much going through this entire truck, getting it up to ship shape, ready to be a show truck. I'm going to be driving this truck as it sits this summer because I want to do a bunch of shakedown with it. I don't know what it needs as far as like suspension components and stuff like that. I want to get all that squared away before I paint it. So once I drive it this summer, I'll have a good idea of what it needs, what I need to do to it before all the nice paint's on it. We'll paint the frame, everything. It'll be ship shape. Until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day.